All right, hey guys, in this lesson we're going to learn about the tiering algorithm. So most people don't actually even know a tiering algorithm exists, and all the Craigslist training that I've seen online and researched and all the YouTube videos I've looked at and what people are saying in articles and in blogs, nobody knows about this, and it's seriously the most important thing you can know about to be successful at Craigslist. So I'm going to teach it to you. I've done a lot of research in this. I've probably spent a few months just trying to figure it out, testing different things. But I'm basically going to show you how to always show up at the top. So the first thing we want to look at is what tiers are. So if you're in the services section here and you type in something like English tutor, if you notice on the right side here, there's two ways to look at the list. There's newest, so that shows you the latest posts, and then there's the relevant section. By default now, whenever you search for something on Craigslist, it searches the relevant section. So I think even when you're on sales as well. So if I'm looking for an iPhone, see, yeah, it also goes by the relevant section. So the relevant section actually is an algorithm, and we're going to basically learn that algorithm. So if we go English tutoring here, we'll see that it's August 10th today. And so we'll follow August 10th, and then it becomes August 9th, August 8th, August 7th, August 6th, and then look at right here, it goes back to August 10th. So this is where the tier ends. And now we're on our next tier, so this would be tier 2. August 10th, it jumps all the way to August 6th, and then that's the end of that tier, and then we're back at August 10th. This is tier 3, right? August 5th ends. Now we're at tier 4, August 8th, ends, and now we're at tier 5. And then we're into the ocean on tier 6. So the goal is figuring out the algorithm in a way that you're at tier 1. This is a dual word search, so if we do a single word search like plumber, you'll see the same thing. So August 10th, August 9th, August 8th, and it ends right here. Then it starts a new tier, so August 9th here. And this tier ends, let's see, right here. So it ends right there, August 3rd, then you're back August 10th again. So this would be tier 3. So the game with Craigslist now is it's less about mass posting, and it's more about dominating different keywords. So here we saw English tutor and plumber, but your business might have one, you might be a plumber, and there also people might be searching you by plumbing services or by plumbers. So you have to really figure out all the keywords that people will think of when they're searching for you. And I gave you a great tool in a previous lecture, right? The Google AdWords tool. Then after that, you really want to just dominate every single keyword and get into the top tier for all of them. And that's the new way to think about Craigslist when you're advertising. So now I'm going to show you how to get into the top tier. So Craigslist tiers ads solely based on the content of the ad. It doesn't take into account how many people have viewed the ad, or how many people have flagged the ad, or if the account is in good standing. It's solely based on the content. It's called the relevant section because Craigslist is looking for relevant content based on a user's keyword search. There's a basic tiering algorithm and an advanced tiering algorithm. Here we have the basic tiering algorithm. So if someone searches, for example, interior painter, which is a dual word search, the first tier will be ads that have interior painter in the title and also in the body text. Tier 2 will have interior painter in the title and only the word interior in the body text. It will be missing the word painter. Tier 3 is the same thing, but instead it's missing the other word, interior. Then tier 4 has interior painter in the title, but it doesn't have either of those words in the body. Tier 5 and 6 will have one of those words in the title and then both words in the body text. If you have a single word like plumber, then you're going to have less tiers. It's just going to be tier 1 will have plumber in the text and also in the title. Tier 2 will just have it in the title only, and then tier 3 will just have it in the text. So here's an example to demonstrate this in action. I posted an ad to try to dominate the keyword maid service. So here on July 6th, I posted an ad and it rose to the top position because I had maid service in the title and also in the body text. Next, I posted an ad with the exact same title, but without the keyword maid service in the body text, and it went all the way back to page 2 in the 32nd position on that page. So you can see it there all the way down there. Next, I just changed up the phrase a bit and added maid service back to the body text just to check if this was a fluke, just to show you it's not. And it went right back up to the top tier. It actually went to the first position. I just took the picture a little bit late. Now, just to really hit the point home, I changed the phrase a little again and removed maid service from the body text again. And as then you can see, the new phrase wasn't anywhere near the top tier. It was all the way at the bottom on the 39th position on the first page. So as you can see here, it really does matter. You need to put it in the title and the body text. Next, I want to talk about renewing ads within tiers. When you renew an ad, it goes to the top of the tier that it's in. It can never break out of its tier. You can see here that the cloud ad rose to the top there when I renewed it, so it's staying in that top tier. Then I renewed the sun ad as well, and you can see that also rose to the top. So as you can see, mass posting has become a lot less important. It's more about getting into the top tier. This picture was taken on July 11th, but my July 9th and July 10th ads are at the top there. In the next tier down there, which I put a red square around, all those ads say maid service in the title, but they're not in the top tier because they don't have it in the body text. Going down further in the list, as you can see, all these mass posters who are using software and hiring quote-unquote professional posters are failing. All those July 10th and July 11th ads are pushed down because they don't understand the search algorithm. In fact, I've looked and every single software on the market right now doesn't understand the search algorithm. And even if they did, it'd take an enormous amount of effort to make it work, especially the advanced algorithm that I cracked, which I'll arm you with in the next lesson. And that being said, that's it for this lesson on the basic algorithm. I'll see you in the next lesson where we'll talk about the advanced algorithm.